Hello, hi, good afternoon. This is Savita Chauhan. First of all, congratulations, and hearty congratulations on having successfully completed your 21 days of abundance. This is called a challenge just because you might have realized how long it takes to continue with the dedication, the decision that we have taken to just keep our words, to allot the specific time and mentality to undertake the task that we have already agreed upon. And these 21 days would have surely made you richer than you earlier were. So I am enough fortunate to have you all, my dear friends, in my life. A big thank you to you too, because I'm feeling satisfied that I could give this to you. I'm enough thankful to my friend Major Priyanka, who handed over to me 6 months back. Then, for the first time, I had tried the same project with some of my friends who are still a part of this very group itself, but this did not fructify. It got dropped in between, and then too I was forwarding the material for all those 21 days, but somehow nobody could complete it the way I wished. And when we were in the same project of Priyanka ma'am's, almost we were around 15 to 16 very close friends from her circle. And of course, the way I did it, like I forwarded the material, I took your consent, and I also made you to understand that how this is really going to be benefiting to you all. And then you took your decision. See, almost like 65 people almost, they have joined with our group. But only these 21 to 22 or 23 at the most, they could successfully reach, they completed their journey. Others also are some way in between, they are willing to do it. Many friends, they called me and they told, Savita madam, I want to really continue with it, but time factors and other commitments are not allowing me. That's perfectly fine, that's fine. And I do agree that we being so busy, being so dedicated towards all kinds of cause in our life, it really means to take those 15 minutes for us. But are we really so poor that we cannot give enough time, at least these 15 minutes, for our inner self? We have to really think about it. And this course has really taught us that we really must give that time for us. We have to actually think upon our inner self, which is actually the reflection of our outer self. And even if we work for just least 15 minutes or 20 minutes in a day, it's really going to boost up our stamina to live all the day, however long it is. So it's extremely important, first of all, to have a very good charging connection to our brain and mind, so that we can really live an abundant life in physical world. The inner world, the inner makeup of our thoughts actually determines what kind of behavior, what kind of personality, what kind of actions and decisions we are taking in our lives. So these 21 days have been immensely influential in my life when I did it for the first time. And this time I have completely understood the gist of it. This is what I think, because the first reading, the third reading, and the next reading, every reading that adds upon the added value to it. We grow every moment of our lives. We have richer context of our lives every time. And this I really realized when I was going along with you through each and every day. I personally took some notes, and I tried to understand what this every word means to me and means to the people whom I'm giving this to. So this was an immensely happy, magnificent journey for me also. I'm enough fortunate to have you all here on board in this wonderful journey. Thank you very much for staying connected, being with me, and trusting with me and my retractors for this project. I hope this project will surely give you the way to give the things to others as well. So, as per one of the tasks of the day, I think 20 or 21, you are supposed to be the givers. The way Priyanka madam is happy with me so that I could give the same knowledge to many people associated with me, you also can be amongst one who will be handing over the same material of meditation messages to your friends and family. Since we are thinking about making this planet beautiful, being humanitarian, being happy being, we can spread happiness. And we are the source of abundant happiness, love, and trust. So let us live an abundant life with abundant humanity. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best for your next endeavor with the abundance of 21 days. Till then, bye bye.